Ladies and gentlemen, if you are up in the air about what Cardholder Pro by Ekster you need to get your hands on, actually I have one more right here as well. That's the Desert Red. Let's go ahead and take a look at the different colors and I'll show you the function of it if you've never seen an Ekster wallet before. We have the newest orange color, beautiful. Has like a texture to it, like a matte color to it. This one is a little bit more smooth. This actually has a little bit of a texture to it. It's awesome. Orange color. We got the, I believe it's the Hyper Lime color or lime color. That is a beautiful wallet as well. We have the regular carbon fiber, and then we have the forged carbon. Now, as we take a closer look at these wallets, top link in the description box right below the video is a direct link to Ekster's website with a coupon code for 10% off anything Ekster offers. Their Cardholder Pro wallets, their Wallet Pro wallets, which are their leather, Vachette leather wallets, tech backpacks, Apple Find My tracker cards, their newest tracker cards for keychains, bikes, etc., wallet tracker cards, anything Ekster offers, 10% off, top link in the description box below with coupon code, but watch the whole video first. Now let's take a closer look. So let's just take a look at the forged carbon, subtle, but really cool shapes to it there with the backing. The back is actually with the forged carbon underneath. So that is the difference. The expansion plate is not forged carbon, if you are wondering, and silicone strap, upgraded metal push button. All of these are going to have upgraded metal push buttons. They all have silicone straps with Ekster logos right here, RFID blocking technology. Let's take a look at the carbon fiber one real quick here. Carbon fiber is beautiful. It's fully carbon fiber up and around, but flipping it over, same thing. You have a matte, kind of a gun metal to it here, and then it goes carbon fiber. If I removed all that, the whole back would look like this on the back there as well. Cash strap, you can put cash underneath here. You can put cash right here. And all these wallets are going to function the same. Cash right there. More cards underneath here. These wallets can hold 1 to 14 cards. Receipts, cash, etc. I only put about 5 cards in the actual slot, and I use my most used card. I'm just tucking my license down a little bit, or that would actually be protruding a little bit more, which is easier to put your card back in. Let me go ahead and show you. Let me go ahead and switch around my shopper's card here. So most used card on the front or back, and then see how this one's out? I then use that one as a backing to push that in, or your most used card on the back, and then using the backing of this card here, slipping it back in. Upgraded metal push button. You don't have to be careful with these wallets. These things slap and they distribute your cards, and bada bing, bada boom. There, let's go ahead and get that one up front. Looking absolutely fantastic. Cash again, once again, is underneath. Removing that. That is the carbon fiber. Again, carbon forged, carbon fiber. Alrighty, moving those over. Again, that's going to be the Hyper Lime color here. Same thing. Expansion plate is the same color. Awesome. Beautiful wallet. Orange, same thing as the Hyper Lime. Beautiful expansion plate. This is a beautiful wallet. I think this is going to be my new go-to right here. And then the Desert Red right here. Beautiful wallet as well, matching that. So the carbon fibers are the only one that have, now this again, the carbon fiber, both are gunmetal grays, but they look black. See when I do that? They look black. Both those are actually gunmetal gray. In certain lights, they do look black. See how that looks black and then that looks gunmetal gray? But then they're both the same, I'm pretty sure. Desert Red is a cool color as well. So check this out. So this is again for Apple Find My, only with Apple devices. This you can slip underneath your expansion plate like that. Let's tuck that down even more so you can't even see on the top. You can barely see it here at the bottom. Now you have a GPS tracking device underneath your expansion plate, and your wallet is now 100% trackable. How cool is that? Or again, their newest Finder tags right here as well. These are pretty cool. Stay tuned for that full video. So ladies and gentlemen, whatever color you do choose, I will leave it up to you. Whatever color you do decide, they're awesome wallets, upgraded push buttons, RFID blocking technology, beautiful new colors. Grab your 10% off, top link in the description box below, direct link, but use the coupon code as well for your 10% off. Take a look at their tech backpack as well. I have a full review for that. I just got back a couple months ago from a French Alps ski trip, took Ekster's tech backpack with me, did awesome awesome on every plane ride, tucking it under my seat, overhead compartment. Their tech backpack is awesome. Grab your tracker cards, your wallet, and hit that thumbs up button on the way out if you wouldn't mind. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and they do intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. My name's Chris. Your 10% off link and coupon code are below the video description box. I will see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.